feel like it's a great day for painting.
Sammy, but your granny's coming today. We gotta make dinner.
Huh? Cooking? But I need some art therapy.
No worries. We can combine art with cooking.
Ah, food art? Sounds exciting. Okay, I'm ready. What's next? Let's check the fridge.
This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Sue, we only have an apple.
It's exactly what we need, Sammy.
Really? Okay then. It's heavy. Are you sure we can turn this regular apple into art?
I've got a few ideas. First of all, let's make some cuts. Ask an adult for help when doing it. Then, pull out the cut slices.
Sue, as a chef, I need to taste it.
That's what we've got. Pretty, right? Now we gotta cut it in two. Let's cut out the middle and other unneeded stuff. The next step is cutting the apple into thin slices. We won't need these pieces.
Don't forget to fix the slices together.
Yeah, a toothpick is a great idea. We need to move the slices a bit. It looks like a flower or a magic tower.
Let's top this tower with a strawberry.
What a great idea, Sammy.
What are we cooking next?
We need to make a bouquet for your granny.
Already done. Look how big it is.
Our bouquet will be edible. Let's use eggs.
Give me a sec. That's good, I eat this for breakfast. I'll cook it in no time, Sue. Ta-da!
No, Sammy, not the microwave. Sammy, don't you know you can't put eggs in the microwave?
No panic. I'll clean it all up and no one will know.
To cook eggs, we need a pot. I gotta be careful not to crack them. I'll pour cold water into the pot and put the pot on the stove. Let's wait for 15 minutes.
14, 15. They're ready.
You are right, Sammy. The eggs are cooked. Now I gotta peel them. What if I use this mini hammer? Oh, it worked! The first egg is ready. What would I do without this hammer? We've got the eggs.
Sue, come on. These don't look like flowers.
Just wait and you'll see. We don't need this part. A tulip.
Wow, Sue, it really looks like a tulip. Ouch! Oh, watch out!
Look, we've got such pretty buds. Now we need stems. Do you have any ideas? Sammy, why are you crying?
I'm not crying. My eyes are just sweating from hard work.
Aw, thanks for cutting the onions. Let's take one egg and make a small hole. Now we put the onion inside. The first flower is ready. We can also make the hole using a stick. Another flower. And the last one.
Okay, I see. Beautiful and easy to make. Sue, here you go. I've made another egg tulip.
Lovely, Sammy.
Since we are finished here, I can have a snack, right? Huh?
Wait a second. I really need this carrot.
It's unfair.
How about swapping it for a lollipop?
It's a deal.
Thought so. Anyway, I'll slice the carrot. We need to upgrade it. Such lovely flowers.
I finished my lolly. I need my carrot back.
Sorry, Sammy. Your carrot doesn't exist anymore.
Huh? Wow! It is such a beauty that I don't mind. I can even lend you my new stylistic find.
Perfect.
Whoa.
I would be happy to get such a bouquet.
Noted. I bet these flowers are also delicious. Almost done. This is art.
Sammy, where did all these crumbs come from?
Oh!
No playing with food. But now I have a great idea. Let me show you. First, we'll need a big bowl and a raw egg. Let's crack it in the bowl. I'll add some cinnamon.
Do you know that my granny loves cinnamon?
What a lucky coincidence. How about a secret ingredient? Okay, it's just sugar.
Whip it well, Sue.
I'll do my best, Chef.
Now it's turn for bread, right? Yep.
That's right. We need to soak it really well. A bit of melted butter. Now it's fry time.
Ask adults to help you guys. We need to serve it. Come on!
Coming! Our toastie's ready. Next, we'll need a cheese spread.
Oh, my feta! That's a lot of cheese!
And we'll use it all. First, we'll put some in 2 bowls.
Color delivery!
Let's paint this cheese blue.
I also like green! You can mix it now, Sue.
What a nice color! Now we'll create grass. I'll also use this to make grass.
Wow, Sue! It looks like real grass!
And now I'll paint a real sky. Something is missing.
How about some flowers?
Oh, that's a great idea. We need more colors, like purple. Now, a touch of pink.
And a few bright touches.
I'll also use some white cheese to draw clouds. Here we go! Our creative toastie is ready.
Sue, how is it going? Sue? Huh? Looks yummy. And it is yummy!
Stop! What is that? You've eaten the toastie!
Huh?
You gotta make another one. And I'll prepare a drink.
Okay, no problem.
First, I'll draw some clouds. And now we need blue matcha. I'll squeeze some lemon into it. It's turning purple. Let's pour it in the glass. I also have such chocolate bar ice cubes. It looks like a transparent chocolate bar. I'll add it to our drink. Another cool thing, Lego ice cubes. Let's mix it with some milk. Wow, look at the color! And the final touch.
Ooh, I've never seen such a drink. Can I try it?
Sure, Sammy, you can take a sip. Well, Sammy, this is the second dish.
I bet my granny will love it. Sue, we don't have the main course.
Right, let's choose one of these. What is the best pick?
It's a tough choice, but my granny loves soups.
Then let's cook chicken soup. I've got an amazing art idea. First, we'll prepare instant noodles, some seasoning, and hot water. Let's continue with the design. We need several thin carrot slices. That's enough. I'll put it in a special way.
Sue, can I finally have some carrot?
Sure, Sammy. Now we'll slice a big mushroom. Here we go. I'll pile it all here.
I am Sam's brother, and I need a mushroom.
Sam has a brother. Okay.
Thanks.
Time to use our noodles. I'll cut off the extra length. Carefully. Now an egg. We cut it in two and put the halves here. We'll also need a bell pepper. First, I'll cut it into pieces.
I'm Sam's uncle, and I need some pepper.
An uncle? Oh, your mustache! Sammy, it's you!
Whoops!
And we'll continue with our art recipe. Cute onion. We'll need a piece of bell pepper to make a bic. Here we go. Perfect!
Sue, no relatives this time. Just a piece of pepper.
Awesome! And a few finishing touches. Do you like this cute rooster? Let's add chicken broth. The soup is ready.
Wow! The most creative soup ever! Granny has arrived! How was your journey, Granny?
Not bad. Granny, I'm happy to see you. Welcome.
Oh, we'll start with the main course.
Let's use these chopsticks. I'll serve some food for Granny. It looks and smells delicious.
Friends, while we are treating my Granny, subscribe to our channel.
And don't forget to like this video. Bye-bye.
Bouquet for the Royal Inspector who's paying us a visit today.
I hear that the protocol this year is to spray the flowers with a dose of perfume to make the bouquet extra fragrant.
Oh, really? How is it that you've heard something about protocol that I haven't?
Oh, just spray her.
Huh? What are you... Oh!
All right, let's see what it says here. That's not the right teapot. Today is Tuesday, and Tuesday means we use the yellow teapot. Yellow!
Sir Kitty Cat, what's gotten into you? Since when do you care about teapots?
Since I learned we could lose you if we fail in this inspection. It's the inspector! Why isn't Elizabeth back yet?
Introducing the Royal Inspector.
Your horn is too long and your hair is too short. May I present my greetings to you, Princess Billy?
And may I present my greetings to you, Mr. Inspector, sir?
That won't do at all. That curtsy was far too quick, by at least 2.5 seconds. What on earth is this? Today is Tuesday. Where is the yellow teapot?
We're not exactly getting off to a great start.
Where's Elizabeth when you need her?
Giddy up, you slimy stallion!
Something's wrong with Elizabeth. We've got to help her. Excuse me, Inspector, sir, but how would you like a tour of the castle gardens?
It's highly irregular to inspect the gardens before the throne room. But if I must... Oh, this won't do at all. This tree has only 356 leaves, when everyone knows they should have 357.
Sorry about that, Inspector.
How's this Elizabeth? What's gotten into you?
Yeah, you're usually no fun at all.
Who is this Elizabeth? Why is she such a drag? Last one to the slide is a doggy donut! Woohoo! Let's go! Yeah! Huh? Oh, what a pretty blue teapot. Achoo! Oh, wait, what day is it? Shouldn't it be yellow?
Did you see that cloud?
Oh, who cares about a teapot? Let's go have some fun!
She must be sick.
Let's get her to Ed the Wizard. He'll know what to do.
Young man, show me your marching drill.
Most strangely strange, this sneezing. The parfum doesn't usually have this effect.
Did you say per fun?
Yes, it's fun perfume. Parfum. You spray a little on and it'll make you really fun. But she doesn't even remember who she is. Well, in largely large doses, her fun can also make you lose your memory.
Can you change her back?
I've never had to make an antidote. Once someone is fun, they usually want to stay that way. It's my most popular potion. Just today, I sold some to the Prince of the Marshmallow Kingdom, an ogre, and even a snail came in for some.
Sydney, that's why he was in our garden. He must have sprayed Elizabeth with the parfum.
It's the twin princesses up to no good again. They know that without Elizabeth, we'll fail the inspection.
Oh, this is better than we thought. Billy's gonna fail with flying colors.
Ah, you call that a marching drill, young man? Juggling is for clowns, not for knights.
Clowns? Oh, where are the clowns?
And who are you?
Can't you see who I am? Are your eyes closed? Now they are!
Never in all my days have I seen such disrespect. Alfred, what is Princess Billy's score? 0? Oh, I thought we'd be in negative numbers by now. Princess, it's almost impossible for you to pass your inspection at this point. You may wish to begin packing your bags.
And we're here to help. The pandas will move you out, and then we'll move in. Please, sir, give me one more chance to impress you. Let us at least serve you lunch inside.
Well, if you must, but everything must be perfect, or you will fail.
Lunch is served.
A minute late. Are those dinner napkins?
Dinner napkins at lunchtime?
Have you noticed the Countess Elizabeth sneezes every time the rules are broken?
Yeah, for a moment there, she was her old self. But then the parfum took over again.
So maybe if we break a few more rules, she'll sneeze all the parfum out of her.
Shouldn't we wait until the inspector's gone? You're doing that enough already.
No, poor Elizabeth needs help now. Who cares about the napkins anyway? I never even use one.
What?
Yeah, I just wipe my mouth with my hand.
I wipe my mouth with my foot.
And I wipe my mouth with my tail.
That crown belongs to Princess Billy.
Let's play crown toss. First one to get the crown in the soup wins.
Enough! I've seen enough!
That's what we thought. We'll just be taking this throne out and putting ours in.
Put that throne down immediately! It is entirely against regulations to so much as touch Princess Billy's throne.
Thrones? Who cares about thrones? Let's go ride the slide! Countess Elizabeth, you're back!
Back? Was I ever gone? And why is the throne room such a mess? The inspector will be here any minute.
I'm right here now, Countess, and never in all my days have I seen a castle so disorderly with so many rules broken. But I've also never seen a princess who was so willing to give up her crown to help a friend. Such generosity. Well done, Princess Billy. You have passed the inspection with flying colors.
Thank you, Inspector, sir.
Might I add, Magicy is lucky to have a princess like you.
And I'm lucky to have a place like Magicy. No, I won't rip up his homework. I'd rather lose the game than hurt Truman. Okay, don't worry. According to the rules, you can also say no. Your turn, Truman. Truth or dare?
Truth.
Who do you like best? Antoinette or me?
Dare?